Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss important safety tips and life-saving info. Today's topic is something that could literally save your life. We're talking about carbon monoxide, the silent killer, and how you can protect yourself and your family with a simple device called a CO detector. Let's get into it. Carbon monoxide, CO, is often called the silent killer, and for good reason. It is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas that is virtually impossible to detect without specialized equipment. Yet, every year, thousands of people around the world fall victim to carbon monoxide poisoning, often in their own homes, workplaces, or vehicles. Understanding what carbon monoxide is, where it comes from, and how to prevent its potentially deadly effects is crucial for safeguarding lives. What is carbon monoxide? Carbon monoxide is a toxic gas that results from the incomplete combustion of carbon-containing fuels. These fuels include natural gas, gasoline, coal, propane, wood, and oil. When these substances burn in poorly ventilated spaces or malfunctioning appliances, CO can build up rapidly to dangerous levels. Common sources of carbon monoxide: gas stoves and ovens, furnaces and boilers, fireplaces, wood or gas burning, portable generators, car exhaust, especially in enclosed garages, charcoal grills and camp stoves used indoors. Why is carbon monoxide dangerous? The danger of CO lies in how it affects the body. When inhaled, carbon monoxide binds tightly to hemoglobin, the molecule, in red blood cells that carries oxygen, forming carboxyhemoglobin. This prevents oxygen from properly binding and circulating in the body, leading to tissue damage, suffocation, and even death. Symptoms of CO poisoning: headache, dizziness, weakness, nausea or vomiting, chest pain, confusion, loss of consciousness, prolonged exposure or high concentrations can be fatal within minutes. How to save lives from carbon monoxide with CO detectors. Given that humans cannot see, smell, or taste carbon monoxide, the most reliable defense against CO poisoning is a carbon monoxide detector. These devices function similarly to smoke detectors. They continuously monitor air for CO levels and sound an alarm when dangerous concentrations are detected. Benefits of CO detectors: early warning, detects CO levels before symptoms. Start 24/7, monitoring, constant protection, even during sleep. Peace of mind, ensures safety in homes, workplaces, and enclosed spaces. How to choose and use a CO detector. Select certified devices. Look for detectors that meet safety standards, UL certified or equivalent. Install correctly. Place detectors near sleeping areas and on every level of the home. Avoid placing them near windows, bathrooms, or close to fuel-burning appliances to minimize false alarms. Test regularly. Check alarms monthly and replace batteries at least twice a year or as recommended. Replace when needed. Detectors typically have a lifespan of 5 to 7 years. Follow manufacturer guidelines. Consider combination detectors. Some devices combine smoke and CO detection for comprehensive protection. Additional prevention tips: ventilate appliances properly and ensure chimneys are clear. Never run vehicles or generators in enclosed spaces, even with doors open. Schedule annual inspections of heating systems and appliances by qualified professionals. Know the symptoms of CO poisoning and act quickly if you suspect exposure. Leave the area and call emergency services immediately. Final thoughts: carbon monoxide is an invisible threat, but one that is entirely preventable with awareness and the right tools. Installing and maintaining carbon monoxide detectors in your home and other enclosed spaces is one of the simplest yet most powerful steps you can take to protect yourself and your loved ones. In matters of safety, taking action before an emergency strikes can make all the difference. A small investment in a CO detector can save lives. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone you care about, and drop a comment below if you already have a CO detector installed at home, or if you're planning to get one after watching this. Safety starts with awareness, and together, we can spread the word. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.